Good morning, Jason here at California Flooring Service, just waiting to get loaded up. But what I wanted to talk about real quick is certified installers and true employees versus not. Now, when you're looking to hire a company to do your tile, your flooring, whatever it's going to be, do you know that they're certified? How do you know? Do you care? I mean, who's coming to do your job? You're meeting with somebody who's talking a good talk. The price might be right, but you're not even asking the right questions. Who's going to do the job? Who's doing your installation? You know, are they up on current products and trends and proper guidelines and procedures, ANSI standards, TCNA? I mean, there's a lot to think about, but who's coming to do your job? My company, my guys are certified, and I have those certifications. You can see it on the website. You can see it on my estimates. We just do best practices, and I ensure that my teams are the best of the best, and we do product knowledge seminars constantly. We go to MAPE, we go to Weedy, we go to Ardex, we do Schluter. We do all these things. We know the differences of all the thin set mortars. We know the differences of all the different moisture mitigation systems. We know the differences of all the adhesives for wood flooring. We know the differences for all the adhesives for luxury vinyl tile. We know if it's water-based, if it's a urethane, and we know when to use those, why. We know how to get substrates into proper tolerances for certain floors, large format tiles, luxury vinyl planks, wood flooring. You know, we know all those details, therefore the outcome can be expected and perfection can be achieved, and proper performance for the longevity of your home. So think about that and ask questions. Who's coming to do your installation? All right, have a great day.